All right, the corporate Spygate scandal is getting bigger by the day. The latest being an allegation of a mega scam by one of those arrested. Journalist Shantanu Saikia has made a sensational charge saying he was being framed as he was about to unravel a mega 10,000 crore rupee scam. Meanwhile, the five corporate executives from Reliance Industries, Reliance ADAG, SR Group, Cairns India and Jubilant Energy have been sent to 3 days police custody. Delhi police also raided offices of a petrochemical company in Noida looking for stolen documents.
It's a 10,000 crore scam. You know, I was trying to do a cover-up. I was doing a cover-up. They're doing a cover-up operation.
वो बताए पुलिस को किस प्रकार की घपला था, किसको वो बचाना चाहते थे और कौन उसको बचाना चाहता था, सारा विषय पुलिस को बता.
And as we pointed out, raids continued on Saturday. The crime branch raided the office of a petrochemical company in Noida after it searched the office of arrested energy consultant Prayas Jain. Sources say that Subhash Chandra, a senior executive with Jubilant Energy, who was also arrested, was taken to Prayas Jain's office on Saturday morning. After searching Jain's office, the police team took him to the Noida office of Jubilant Energy. His office and some other rooms were searched by the police to recover stolen documents. Now, the Delhi crime branch has also intercepted over 100 phone calls, and the call history between February 2014 to February 2015 is now being probed.
अब देखिए, डिपेंड करता है, ये निर्भर करता है कि किस प्रकार के डॉक्यूमेंट ले गए हैं, और जहाँ तक मेरा अनुमान है कि कोई इसमें देश की सुरक्षा का ऐसा बिंदु नहीं है. एनर्जी सिक्योरिटी का बिंदु हो सकता है अगर वो डॉक्यूमेंट ऐसे हों कि जो हमारे यहाँ ऑयल स्टोरेज, स्ट्रेटेजिक स्टोरेज बन रहा है, उसके बारे में कुछ सूचना हो, या ये सूचना हो कि OVL या अन्य कंपनियां बाहर जाके किस तरीके से ऑयल फील्ड्स को खरीद रहे हैं और किस दाम पर खरीद रहे हैं, ताकि उसमें कोई गड़बड़ी पैदा करने के लिए कोई अन्य देश के एजेंट उसमें कार्रवाई कर रहे हो, तब तो बात दूसरी है. मुझे लगता है कि ऐसी शायद सूचना नहीं रही है. ये ज़्यादातर ऐसी सूचना रही है जो व्यावसायिक हित विभिन्न कंपनियों का होता है, उनके उसको प्रभावित करने वाली सूचना.
Joining us now is our correspondent Kamaljeet Kaur Sandhu with more details. Kamal, what's the police saying after yesterday's raids? Are any more names coming up?
Well, any more arrests or any more names cannot be ruled out at this point of time. But yes, this corporate espionage is turning out to be bigger than expected, with the top companies, top corporates being involved. And definitely what Shantanu Saikia said in the court yesterday, outside the court, in fact, speaking to the media, saying this is a 10,000 crore rupee cover-up, that needs to be exposed. So obviously there is also a political game blame which is really on the Congress party, saying that if there is something much more, then the government should expose it. And this obviously happens ahead of the budget session of the Parliament. This is going to be causing a lot of furor, but on the ground, as far as Delhi police is concerned and the crime branch is concerned, they are obviously feverishly working on that particular case. They've been raiding different places. More clues have been actually brought in, and obviously the questioning of the accused itself has given them more insight. Now remember, Maha, this was an IB operation. For the past 6 months, the IB had been working on it. Early January, Delhi police was involved in this entire information. They were then worked on it. CCTV footage was installed. The Prime Minister's office, the Home Ministry office was kept in the loop regarding this. The Petroleum Ministry was kept in the loop, and thereafter a trap was really laid as to expose this entire corporate espionage. Now this is obviously turning out to be bigger, with the bigger names coming in, but many are now pointing out as to why only smaller people should be acted against. If there are top honchos who are involved, there should be law which should catch up with these particular top corporates as well.
Kamaljeet Kaur Sandhu, many thanks for getting us those details.